Okay guys, we've got another review tonight with the Back to Country Cuisine. This one is due next month to be eaten, so it's probably around the 4 or 5 year mark. This one's called Mushroom Bolognese. I don't know what that's about really, but we'll give this a go. Now, it's got the Mount Everest Mark II as well, so we're going to fill it up to there. It says to widen the box, the packet, so it's can take the water type of thing. Cut along the dotted line, and boiling hot water up to there. Make sure there's no capsules left in there. So we'll tear this off. We'll have a look inside. It's an interesting arrangement in there. I see pasta. There's two lots of little pasta pods in there. And I'd say there's no capsule, no packets, other packets in there at all. I take it some of their products have little satchels inside, that maybe the sweet ones. So they're sitting on top. So we're going to add our hot water to that. It doesn't smell too bad actually. So the kettle's just boiled. Alright, the kettle's just boiled, so we're going to fill that up. To this line here. I'm going to close it up. Push the air out, it says. Close it up. The duration is 10 to 15 minutes on the back. So we're going to leave that for 15 minutes. Like I said, they use these packets for a number of their products. And they slap a different sticker on depending what they put inside. Different sticker on the front, different sticker on the back. That's how that works, of course. So we'll leave that 15 minutes and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test for you. Okay guys, our 15 minutes is up. So we're going to open up and have a look inside in a second. As I said, we just rounded it. Made sure there's no satchels in it, because some products, other products, they have satchels in there, like biscuit and stuff. I saw that. Stir it up a bit and add your hot water up to the Mount Everest line, which is that one. And we're going to open it up. And stir it up, obviously. I can see that the spaghetti type substance is now quite manageable, or cooked if you like. So I'll stir it up properly and I'll have a look then, because I can't do that and hold it at the same time. A bit hard to taste test this. Smell wise it's not too bad. So it looks like a bolognese, doesn't it? You can see I think that's bits of beef in there. Or it could be just mushroom, but it's hot to touch. It's very warm. So we'll try a little bit. Okay. So that's not a bad little mouthful. We've got some spaghetti on there and some Bolognese. Very salty. Actually, that one, I might add a little bit more hot water to it, because I think that the pasta's may have absorbed a lot of it, or most of it, because it tastes a little bit dry or something to me. Tell what we'll do, we'll put it on a plate and we can see exactly what it looks like. Doesn't look too bad, does it? For this type of meal. Put that up there. So there we have the meal. I'm not very good at the spaghetti. I don't know how to do the roundy thing. There we go. You lose all your bits then. Oh my god. We'll try and eat that. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's better than the last one, the beef stroganoff, I think. It's got more taste to it. What would I rate that out of 10? Probably 7.5. Whereas the stroganoff I thought 5, 6 maybe. 6 is the best. But yeah, 7.5. And that's against real food for a freeze-dried meal that's been sitting in a packet for almost 5 years. I'm very impressed with that one. So there you go. I recommend that one. It's the Mushroom Bolognese by Back to the Country Cuisine. Thanks for watching, and we'll do another one next week. Another type of food from Back to Country Cuisine. Okay, bye bye.